Today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency repair to your Drysuit Latex seals. Recently I was waiting for the dive boat to arrive when I noticed a hole in one of my wrist seals. It looked like a chemical burn. It was about 2 to 3 millimeters in diameter. So I quickly patched it before the dive boat arrived. Here's another hole from a crayfish strike. It's a lot smaller, but it still leaks and it still spoils your dive. I only patched this one from the inside. This patch has been in place for nearly 2 years now and it still holds. I use these protective waterproof films that you can get from the chemist. They're used for cuts and wounds. I'm going to show you how to apply the waterproof film on my neck seal. It's starting to perish and needs replacing, but this will keep me going until the warmer months where I can swap out and use my wetsuit. And then over summer, I can get all the latex seals replaced on this dry suit and be ready for the next winter season. After you clean and dry the latex, if you've got access to tape, apply some around the area of concern. It will help clean the latex and remove any talc residue. If you don't have access to tape, don't worry. If the first film doesn't stick, remove it and it will pretty much do the same thing by removing any impurities that are on the latex. Don't stretch the latex, keep it flat if possible. You may need 3 hands for this. Peel the backing off the film and place it in the correct spot. Firmly pressing down on the outside of the film, making sure that it sticks to the latex. Once you've pressed down over all the area, remove the top layer of the film. Now just go over the film and make sure it's all pressed down. So if we have a look at one of the perished areas, it's now reinforced by the film. The film moves and stretches with the latex and will ensure the area stays waterproof. Don't forget to talc up your latex seals. These latex seals that I'll replace are nearly 4 years old. Well, this technique will get you out of trouble in an emergency, save a dive or prevent a flooding. I hope this quick video has helped. Thanks for watching.